Hello everyone, welcome in Multisize Academy. Today we are solving NCERT Mathematics Class 8 Exercise 2.6. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get regular update. Previous video link is given in the description box. You can watch it.
Now today we take the exercise 2.6 question number 4. Before starting this question, first we understood the rules of the multiplication of positive and negative sign. It is okay. One thing you remember that in rough way, if the sign is opposite, then result is negative. If the sign is same, means it may positive, negative, then result is positive. Means first rule is if you multiply the positive sign to negative sign, it comes the negative. Negative plus positive becomes negative, plus positive into positive is equal to positive, negative into negative is equal to positive. It is okay. This is used in this question. The question is 3y plus 4 upon 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 upon 5. It is okay. Now simply you multiply, okay, and then we find 3y plus 4 we are taking into bracket, multiply by 5. It is okay. You know that how this is we are doing. You refer the previous videos. Then here is minus 2. So we are copy it simply minus 2 and in bracket we are writing down 2 minus 6y. It is okay. Now you remember that is the easy. Simply you 5 multiply 3 into 3y plus 5 into 4, that is easy. Now main difficulty is here is that is the minus 2. So minus 2 is multiplied to 2. So we are putting the bracket into minus 2. It is okay. It is different to the another quantity. So in the we are taking the bracket in minus 2 multiply by 2. Then copy that sign minus as it is. Then again in bracket we are writing down minus 2 and copy that 6y as it is. It is now clear. You don't confuse to that minus sign. It is okay. Simply you take as it is in the bracket. Okay. And we can multiply this number into the bracket. Okay. Now this is the one law. I think you know that. What is the name of that law? This is the distributive law. Okay. Then means you multiply that common term to the in bracket quantity. Okay. Now next step is that 5 into 3 15y, 5 into 4 20. It is clear. Now here is minus 2 2s are 4. It is clear. Now what will be the sign comes before that numerical term? Okay. In that numerical term, here is you see that is the negative and that is the positive. You see that is our rule number 2. Negative into positive. So then resultant becomes negative. So here we put that is the minus 4. And if you don't remember that law, only you remember that if sign is opposite, result is negative. If sign is same, okay, means it may be positive both and it may be negative both, then the result is always positive. Clear? So now second term, you simply multiply 2 into 6 is the 12, y is as it is. First you copy that one, okay, and that multiplication put into first bracket, okay. So now we copy that minus sign and multiplication is 6 into 2, 12 and y. It is now clear. Now in the next step, left hand side is same, in right hand side this term is same, but now you see that now you multiply both same sign. So in the both same sign, what will be the output becomes? Positive. So here we write down the plus sign of the 12y. I think that is clear to all of you. If any difficulty, you can comment me. Now, next, simply you collect the variable in the left hand side and numbers in the right hand side. It is okay. Then we solve it and finally we find y is equal to, you consider that sign, okay, and finally we find the value of y is equal to -8. Thank you.